My name is Charles Cundall. I am 34 years old, and I'm a firefighting helicopter pilot. I've been riding BMX specifically since I was 17. So my job, firefighting, is kind of funny. I only fight fires at night currently. If we can get a little bit of rest at night, and then I'll go ride for the rest of the day.
So why are you doing that?
So my backpack doesn't hang up because I'm going pretty slow. So I'll probably hit this guy right here. We're in Camarillo. We're at the Camarillo airport. Yeah, so the CH-47D, or the Chinook, when we put people and fuel in it, it's going to weigh somewhere around like 35,000 pounds. The rest of it, we can tack on water, so we can weigh up to 50,000 pounds. Whenever we arrive on scene, we'll go get 16,000 pounds of water on our first dip. And then as the night progresses and we burn off fuel, then we can take on more water. Oh, I don't think there's anything cooler. I get to go hover over a lake, suck up a bunch of water, and then save some homes or save some trees, you know. It's a really rewarding job. It's pretty dangerous, but I think if it was safe, I probably wouldn't do it, you know, just like BMX. You know, you would think it would be like, oh, it just feels like freedom flying a helicopter. Well, it's a little bit stressful, but it's a fun stressful. You know, you look around at the surroundings and everything, but you still have to be on point all the time. I'd say it's about the same as pedaling at a rail. I'm looking for a spot, I'm usually looking for something with a rail, and then just looking for something unique about it.
So what are you doing now?
I'm checking to make sure the helicopter isn't broken before we go fly it. You gotta make sure all the weather is good. You gotta make sure that there's not a ton of airspace to they're gonna blow through. A lot of the times you'll actually end up canceling a flight. Today is a nice day. Everything's looking good so far. We want to make sure the helicopter is safe to fly before we get up in the air. We want to make sure everything's running correctly and everything's at least attached while we're sitting on the ground. It will definitely mess you up.
Okay.
It's got this tail rotor guard thing here, and that's to prevent people from you know, oh man, so thank you for the great flight, you know, and then they walk under the tail rotor.
Oh my God.
Which does happen out there. actually found a skate park in Seattle one time, like flying around. I was like, oh my gosh, there's a skate park right there. And it wasn't on the Google Maps yet. So like after I went back and landed, I like drove like an hour and a half just to go like visit that skate park. Like I'll drive 2 hours to go ride a rail just because I know it's gonna be such a fun experience. Going around the corner and finding like the best spot in the world, like with some friends, I think that's like the coolest feeling ever. BMX, you have to practice like certain moves so many times, and there's a lot of finesse involved in BMX. And then whenever I popped in a helicopter the first time and got on the controls, like it just felt natural to me, and it was something that I could progress at and loved the challenge of it. BMX is like one way that I can just kind of be myself and go out and do my thing and have as much fun as possible.